YouTube, YNW Melly, nigga, you read the title. You got it, bro.
The YNW Melly murder trial somehow gets even messier. John Phillips, the lawyer for the victim's family.
Yo, they said he's not even like convicted. I don't know, bro. Mama Cuff, shout out Mama Cuff. Yo, that actually just brought back mad memories, bro. I want to see Lil Skies come back so bad, bro. Real shit. Lil Skies, Lenny Q, you feel me? Like, Lil Skies hairline, like all that, bro. All the good stuff.
Families in the lawsuit tweeted out a picture of a bullet hole on the YNW Juvie's face. Yes, you heard me correctly. A lawyer for the victims' families is arguing with people on Twitter, tweeting out autopsy pictures, and guess what? He apparently wasn't even supposed to have these pictures. I don't know if that's true, but I'm gonna read the full motion.
Yo!
Stick around for the full video. Let's go.
Yo, that nigga moving like lively.
Subscribe. All right, we got urgent motion for an order to show cause against the office of Broward State Attorney Harold F. Pryor and lawyer John Phillips, who's representing the families of the victims. Both members of the Florida Bar should not be referred for disciplinary action due to conduct prejudicial to the administration of justice. Here we go. On or about November 2024, the office of Broward State Attorney Harold F. Pryor authored an order at the behest of attorney.
Yo, if YNW Melly ever gets free, if YNW Melly gets free today, what would y'all do, bro? Talk to me, bro. What would y'all do, bro? Are y'all listening to this nigga shit still?
Providing an unredacted form of evidence demanded by John Phillips. See copy of email including proposed order attached here too as Exhibit 1. Hold on. Is the defense saying that John Phillips was not supposed to get this evidence? The Office of the Broward State Attorneys agreed to provide all the unredacted evidence to the descendants' civil attorneys without informing this court or the defendant's criminal attorneys. Oh. I'm not sure if that's standard procedure. Is it normal for the state attorney's office to hand over everything and not inform anyone? The records demanded included but were not limited to...
YNW Melly gets free, bro. that nigga can be free away from me. I'm just being real, bro. Let me just be honest, bro. That nigga can be free as long as it's far, far away from Kansas, bro. You know? Like, I ain't saying that nigga banned from Kansas. Because when you ban somebody from a state, they just want to go there, bro. I'm not going to say that nigga banned. But, like, if that nigga in, like, Vermont, Wisconsin, something, you know, there's nothing going on there. That's cool, bro. You got it, bro. Go to Wyoming, my nigga. Go to Virginia. I don't know what's in Virginia. They got Netspin. I don't know. I don't know what else is there, to be honest. As long as you're not here, you know? That's cool. Go ahead, bro. You got it, nigga.
Redacted autopsy photographs of the decedents. The photograph or video or audio recording of an autopsy.
Yo, he must have got rage baited, though. Like, there is no way. Yo, I keep getting motion detected at the front door. Am I finna die, y'all? Is this one of y'all? Oh, it might be Raps, bro. It might be Raps. This might be YNW Melly. Hold on, y'all. This might be YNW Melly, bro. I don't know, bro. It might be over, bro. Is there somebody at the front door, bro? I'm so confused. Who is here? I didn't open the door, nigga. I'm too pussy for that. Oh, no, we straight. Oh, we good. Oh, we good, yo. Oh, shit.
Held by medical examiners.
Nigga, see you done with the underground and pulled up. Yo, what?
Confidential and exempt from...
Help me find a job? Bro, what jobs do you need, bro? Like, come on, bro. I can help you find some shit, dude. Like, come on, man.
Of the state constitution with exception to surviving parent. Wait, so John Phillips was not supposed to have any of this. It was discovered on or around May 3rd, 2025. Wait, 2 days ago? Attorney John Phillips released various autopsy photos of Christopher Thomas on his X account while engaging in analysis and arguments with the public. Yeah. No, he did not. So John Phillips is always tweeting about...
Yo, John Phillips must have got fucking rage baited because there's no way in hell that he just has autopsy pictures just on his phone, my nigga. Like, if that's the case, bro, we have to check this nigga's hard drive. He has to have some, like, crazy shit. Bro, jobs, literally any job. Nigga, what? How many of y'all are unemployed? Be honest.
Basically how he thinks Melly's guilty.
No, I'm not unemployed, bitch. Stop.
Right? So here's his tweet. If your hero is innocent, why won't his people talk? How did Juvie get shot from 8 to 10 feet away on the left side of his face with gunpowder burns and have his defensive wounds on his left hand if the drive-by was on the right side? 100% shot by the person in the back passenger seat. He's responding to a Melly fan. Attached to that tweet is a picture of the bullet hole on Juvie's face. Like, straight up.
What the fuck? Hold on, I was going. Wait. I got some about Home Depot, but like, I can't joke right now. We're talking about deaths and shit.
The autopsy picture on Twitter. It only has 700 views, but Melly's mom said,
that's
"Sir, you're a
insane.
civil attorney, not criminal. Please stay in your lane. Have a blessed day." Bro, this is so messy. He also said, "I got multiple witnesses to admit they went back and hid it," referring to the murder weapon. He has witnesses that admit they went back and hid the murder weapon. Have recordings of that. Just wait. The lies will be uncovered. Just tired of the reporters and co-conspirators passing on lies.
Yep, see, this the rage bait. I'm telling y'all, bro, this the rage bait. This nigga just got rage baited, bro. Old niggas don't know what rage bait is. Old niggas is so I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all think I'm playing, bro. Hold on, bro. Let me pull up example A. I'm gonna pull up example A of how easy niggas is to get rage baited. Watch, bro. Cause some old niggas just don't stay in their own lane. I don't give a fuck that nigga's whatever that nigga is. Let's pull up Chaltom's TikTok. Where's Chaltom's TikTok?
Yo, OG, no disrespect.
Yo, I had to, dude. Look at how OG tried to do me, right? Y'all know the whole 100 gorillas versus 100 100 men versus one gorilla debate? Bruh. I said, bro, 100 men is easily going to whoop one gorilla's ass. Look at what this nigga got to say. Look at what Will Stewart got to say. Look at the profile picture. Look at fucking Will Stewart. Nephew, I want you to understand something. The only man that could beat a silverback gorilla died thousands of years ago. His name is Samson. The rest of us don't count.
Please just answer the fucking question. I did not ask for all this novel, bro. It's as simple. It's either 100 niggas is winning or one gorilla is winning.
And he's literally not joking. He's literally facts. That's literally facts. That is literally facts, my nigga.
What you saying, though?
The comment's not even there no more. The comment's not even there no more, my nigga. All niggas need to learn how to stay in a lane. Stay in your lane, bro. Damn. This nigga's whole time he just arguing with like 12-year-olds on Twitter.
And not doing the work, lazy or complicit. Oh boy,
Bro,
he
and
responded
keep giving
7
me
hours
jobs
ago to this motion.
care of
This
old
motion
people.
is
What's so
legally
bad about
frivolous
that?
and defamatory. Did it go straight to the press even before proofreading? Question mark. It also falsely claims I don't represent Juvie's interests. I do 100% and have full support of Chris Thomas's family to release evidence to counteract the falsehoods presented by the defense and their family. The point is they don't want it out there and are desperate to hide that Juvie was shot on the left side from close range.
Yeah.
This isn't a secret. Any credible media would discuss adverse facts instead of platform a bunch of sock accounts to harass me. What the fuck is a sock account? I don't think I've ever heard that term
Yo, this
before.
nigga is literally fighting 8-year-olds, bro. He's literally fighting 8-year-olds. I don't want to shower old people respectfully. Yo, the thing about Home Depot, bro, I worked at Home Depot. Can y'all guess how many can y'all guess how many days I worked at Home Depot for? Y'all can guess how many days I worked at Home Depot for. I'll give y'all some time, bro. Orientation does not count. Orientation does not count. 3? It was 1. It was 1. I worked at Home Depot for 1 day. I got 1 day at Home Depot, and I'm not gonna lie, bro. As soon as I put that orange little thing on, I said, "Oh no, this is not gonna fly, my nigga."
Before. By the way,
I said,
isn't
yo,
Raven Liberty
this is not gonna fly, my nigga. No. Imagine I put that vest on. I start walking down the aisles, and some nigga like, "Oh, yo, is that Chaltom? Hey, can I get a pic?" Oh, hell no, my nigga. Wait, no, fuck no, nigga. Fuck no, nigga. No, gang. You can't get no motherfucker. No. I said, bro, as soon as I put it on, I said, man, oh nah. I started hearing the old railroad music, nigga. I said, man, what the hell?
literally being investigated for
They had me as being a cart pusher, nigga. I said, bro, this some motherfucking shit. I got 1 cart. As soon as I started moving, all I started hearing was, wade in the water. Man, hell nah, bro. I said, nah, I'm done, bro. I'm good. I'm good off that.
and his
They started
teeth.
calling me, talking about, yo, we haven't seen you in a couple days. You mind calling back?
Where's that mentioned? Hold on. The investigation in Raven Liberty is
You don't got
horseshit.
supporters
They've
in
been
Kansas
arrested
City?
her and
Stop.
it's been 15 months. All right, back to the motion here. John Phillips does not represent the
There
interests
is
of Chris-
definitely niggas in Kansas City that know me, bro. I'm convinced that there's niggas in Kansas City that have seen me in real life. I'm so serious, bro. Or maybe that's just ego.
for Thomas.
Bro,
and
sometimes that's definitely ego. These niggas do not know me, bro. That's definitely ego, bro. Now that I'm saying it out loud, that's definitely ego. Damn.
nor his clients were entitled to the privileged autopsy report of photos of Mr. Thomas.
Maybe I
There's
just
no
look good.
way. Did this lawyer really tweet out pictures of an autopsy that he wasn't even supposed to have. So here's they put the exhibit and the emotion here of his tweet.
what is he
and I'm obviously
doing,
not
bro?
going to show the bullet wound one. All right. John Phillips is causing significant public dissemination of sensitive material that he should never have been allowed to access to, but for the Office of the State Attorney agreeing to do such. Criminal charges related to the photographs are still pending, and the unauthorized release of these images has the potential to severely impact the integrity of the ongoing proceedings. What's she talking about, like a jury? Thankfully, there's only 700 views.
Wait. So the nigga that posted the pic is the victim's family's attorney. So because he did that, this whole thing might just be fucked. Yo.
He was on Twitter.
Yo. I didn't even know that can fucking happen, bro.
Isn't really shit, but still. Conduct of the Broward State Attorney's Office and John Phillips together constitutes a violation of the ethical standards as set forth in the rules regulating the Florida Bar, specifically Rule 484D, prohibits conduct that is prejudicial to the administration of justice, the unauthorized dissemination of sensitive autopsy photographs.
Bro, you gotta think, like, from the family's POV, bro. Imagine, like, this nigga's brother or, like, his mom or something. Or I guess his mom just already seen that shit. You gotta imagine, like, what if one day you wake up, you open Twitter, and you just see, like Famo, bro, in his last state.
Public
that shit is weird, gang.
It's in the legal system and fair administration.
I got banned from Wyoming a couple weeks ago, gang. What do I do? Nigga, you live in Wyoming? You're fucking cooked, bro. Yo, fucking cooked.
Of justice. The Florida Supreme Court has addressed similar ethical breaches, including but not limited to prohibiting a lawyer from engaging in conduct in connection with practice of law that was prejudicial to the administration of justice, citing Florida Bar versus Scheinberg and Florida Bar versus Arugu. Florida courts are clear that the public is to be protected from unethical conduct, and unethical conduct is to be sanctioned to deter other lawyers from engaging in similar misconduct. The duty to protect the public and maintain the integrity of the legal system is paramount, but protecting Mr. Demmett's constitutional right to a fair trial is greater. The actions of Broward State Attorney's Office agreeing to provide the unredacted evidence to a civil attorney previously known to continuously post about the criminal case has not only compromised ongoing criminal proceedings, but also eroded public trust in the legal profession. The actions of John...
What does this shit mean? I stay in Texas, I be bullying in Wyoming? Nigga, no you don't. That's not even like, they're not even in the same fucking... What? Are you fucking dumb?
Phillips
is Wyoming not like... Y'all know the shape of the U.S., right? Is Wyoming not like up here?
Malicious intent have not only compromised ongoing criminal proceedings, but also eroded public trust in the legal profession. Wait, why'd they just repeat this? Or is this like a typo? They copy and pasted the same shit twice? The Office of the State Attorney has been called again usurping justice. This time around, they are conspiring with the decedent's attorney, John Phillips, to sway public opinion and taint the jury pool,
I don't go out there.
thereby recluding Jamal Demmons from receiving a fair trial.
You got me, I ain't gonna lie.
This misconduct of the office, Broward State Attorney Harold F. Pryor, is not only willful and flagrant, but it's ongoing and compounded with one intentional ethical violation after the next.
Niggas is going up to Wyoming, but niggas is not going up to Kansas. Please make that make sense, bro. Niggas be like, I stay in the W. Whole time it's Wyoming.
To both the office and the state attorney and John Phillips must be sought before other prosecutors and or attorneys. Respectfully request this honorable court to issue an order to show cause why the office of the state attorney Harold F. Pryor and John Phillips should not be referred to the Florida Bar for disciplinary action based on the aforementioned ethical violations. So that she's trying to report everyone to the Florida Bar. Disqualify John Phillips from any further representation of the decedent's families in the subject matter criminal proceedings. Holy shit. Raven Liberty just requested to kick his ass off the case for the families that are suing Melly. Any other relief that this court deems necessary and just. Law Office of Raven Liberty. This is a good reply to John Phillips though about him pointing out Raven Liberty is being investigated. According to Fine, there's no investigation regarding Miss Liberty. Remember that? The judge literally said, I don't think she's being investigated. This is horse shit. He called the state out on their lie. I find it crazy, though, that a lawyer of one of the deceased victims is tweeting out autopsy pictures, arguing with random people on Twitter. What are you doing? Are you 20? That seems like something a 20-year-old person would do. Not even that, dude.
No, that nigga's just in his fields, bro. That nigga is literally just in his fields, bro. That nigga is literally just in his fields, bro. He's seen too many free YNW Mellys. And he in his mind, bro. They don't get what it is, bro. It's just rage bait. That nigga just got motherfucking rage bait.
There's some sketchy evidence. Like a lot of evidence points to that back seat. The back seat that Melly is on video going into. You know what I mean? So I understand what he's saying here. There's burn marks on the victim's face and everything. A lot of evidence points to that back seat. But this motherfucker apparently tweeted out pictures he wasn't even supposed to have.
Yo, what if this is like a Hold on, I gotta put my fucking cam back over here, bro. I don't like my cam being over here. Bro, what if this is another situation, right? Like, what if he actually did it, though? But I'm not gonna, Allegedly, right? Allegedly. But what if he actually did do it though? You know? And what if this nigga's finna like get away with it? Like, I don't know, bro. That shit is just crazy, bro. That shit is just wild to me. It's just insane. Allegedly though, I don't know. I don't know.
If that's true, and he was supposed to have this shit, there's a big issue here. Defendant Jamel Dimmon's supplemental witness list.
Like on some OJ Simpson shit. Like, do y'all think OJ Simpson did it? Y'all think OJ did it? I don't know, bro. OJ, like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. That nigga took that shit to the grave too. I don't know, bro.
Miss Buckaloo, the state attorney that is prosecuting the case. What? What's going on here? Why do they want her to be a witness? And Dr. Heather Holmes, who seems to be a forensic psychologist based in Florida somewhere. And Brandon Williams, I'm not sure who that is, but... All right, we got a motion to strike notice of appeal.
All right. What the fuck? What is happening, nigga? Huh? I'm out. All right, bro. Just wanted to let you know. Front door's unlocked. Bet. Okay. Yo, they get me in this state, bro. Yo, I keep hearing voices and shit. Like, oh my god, dude.
Appearance and all other...
I got, like, bro, I'm nigga scaring the fuck out of me, bro. I need everybody up out the motherfucking house, bro.
Pleading of victims. On January 8th, 2019, with the enactment of Revision 1, Article 1, Section 16 of the Florida Constitution, victims of crime were granted the right to be informed, to be present, and to be heard when relevant at all crucial stages of criminal proceedings. Although a victim's attorney may file motions on behalf of the victim to enforce their rights, Marcy's Law does not support a victim's filing of some form of notice of election to exercise the rights of legal representation in a criminal proceeding. In the case at hand, John Phillips... Wait, what? John Phillips did something else? John Phillips filed not only a notice of appearance, but a designation of email. Somehow the victims' families are a party to the criminal proceeding. The victims are not entitled to receive pleadings as they are not a party to this matter.
Yo, I have no idea what this shit means at all. These are pretty big words, but I'm trying to like lock in. I'm trying to like lock into it though, you know? I don't really know what it's meaning, what that shit means, but I'm trying to figure out what it means though. I'm trying to use context clues.
Statement. That seems like a very heartless statement right there. So it sounds like John Phillips wants to like be in the loop on the criminal proceedings. This guy's trying to get any and all information, dude. He's being a very aggressive
So that
lawyer
nigga's trying to be like DJ Vlad.
for the victims' families. Based upon the foregoing notice of appearance filed on behalf of the victims and the objections are outside the scope of the rights granted to the victim, must be stricken. Defendant Jamel Dimmon's, through his attorneys, requests this order of this court striking the notice of appearances and any all pleadings filed on behalf of the alleged victims' families. This shit is getting messy with the victims' families' lawyer, is basically the gist of this. Comment down below what you guys think. Hit subscribe.
Yo, why would this nigga post... Yo, that shit just dead. Just does not make sense, bro. Why would this nigga be posting dead bodies, bro? Like it's fucking Ken Carson, bro. I don't know. I don't know, bro. If YNW Melly gets free, bro, I guess that nigga's free, bro. I don't know.